Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. I've got a quick mail call for you today. Some equipment from Farnell and a bunch of stuff from AliExpress in China. Of course, today's silly job title is Electron Ambassador. Today I'm the Electron Ambassador, and we're going to pop over to the bench together and see what's arrived in the mail. Here on the bench, and I thought I might start with these two little packages. Here's a little package. It's in an envelope. Not sure what to expect in here. It might be batteries. Is it batteries? It is. Alright. So that's not super exciting, is it? Let's just time lapse the I'm putting them away in the drawer. Hang on. So there's our batteries put away. Plenty of batteries in stock at the moment, which is good. So up next, got another little bag. I'm not sure what's in this. See if I've got my scissors here. Here they are. Alright. Okay. So I've got a bunch of little things from China. The old AliExpress bag within bag. So, just give me 1 second. I'll be back. Alright, so we've got a bunch of small bags that I'll need the scissors for from AliExpress. And then the big mother load today is from Farnell. We'll get to that at the end. So, what are we looking for here? Looks like integrated circuit containers. Excellent. All right. So, how big are these? 28 pin. And is this also 28 pin? It is. And is this? It is. So there's a whole heap of 28 pin IC holders. Let me see if I can find a place for those. I found this, which is my container. I don't know if there's enough space or not, but let's tidy this up together and see if we can squeeze it all in. There we go. So there's our 2x14 28 pin integrated circuit holders. So that's good to have. You can see them labeled there on the front. I'll go put these away. All right, so that's the integrated circuit containers or pluggers or holders put away. Let's see what's next. It's like something small. It's an electronics project. This is SMD, SMT, Lucky Turntable LED lights. DIY. It's a soldering practice. And it came with a dead bug. Dear me. I always worry when wildlife arrives internationally. I don't like the idea of infecting, you know, like biodiversity. Yeah. Anyway, this is a container for the project box. So I'll just pop out the old project box. This is my collection of kits that are in process. So got another one of those. Very good. Now there's a few more small things to get through. Let's see what we've got in here. I'm of course just keeping the old offcuts over here so I can scrapbook them later on. Ah, yes. Okay, cool. So this is just some more what do we call these things? Jumpers, of course. Jumpers. I don't know why I got green and yellow. I've got heaps of green and yellow. But maybe it was just to even them out because I did buy a whole bunch more. Hopefully those will arrive today as well. So let's just do this quickly. All right, so there's our jumpers put away. Just put them back up in the shelf. And next we have small yellow envelope. What's in here? Try this end. Yes, zero insertion force, integrated circuit receptacles. Great. So we've got this big honking zip the bag that we'll reuse. We'll keep him for the bag. All right. So where are we going to keep these? I don't know. What have we got here? It's in Chinese. It doesn't mean much to me. Not sure what that means. But I guess I'll stick it in the thing. Why wouldn't I? All right. So there's GH192 and GH193 and 1931 and 194 and 195 and 192. Ah, interesting. So they're all different. They're all different. Yeah. Let me think about this. I'll be back. All right, I'm back, and I found an old spare drawer. So we got a spare drawer there. I don't see any reason to take these out of their bags immediately. Might as well leave them in the bags. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe I should label them. I'm not sure. All right, well, I'll certainly label the container. Let's do that together. All right, that's labeled ZIF socket. So I'll go and put him in the drawer. And on we go. Another yellow bag. All right, yes, good. So got some more jumpers. I've got a place for these to go. So let's have black. I'll do this quickly. All right, so that's the jumpers filed. I'll put them away in the bench. Sliding up there. All right, now what's this? Something with USB. I think it's a with Bluetooth rather. I think it's a USB tester. I forget. Something with USB. Something with Bluetooth. What have we got? Yep, it's just a USB meter. Very good. We might do an unboxing of that separately. What do you think? For now, let me just chop out the thing. All right, well, that's done. So I'll just put him in the corner. We'll unbox him later, I think. Maybe we won't. It's not a super interesting bit of equipment, is it? It's just a USB tester. So let's see what we've got here in the bag from China. Yes, very good. I think I bought the wrong things. Dear me. I didn't want ones with alligator clips, did I? I probably wanted ones with, let's just see what we've got. Oh no, that is what I wanted. Okay, very good. So I was just getting myself some alligator to DIP28 clips, because you can see in my containers for such things, I really don't have very many on hand. So these will go there. Let's move them out together. All right, so there they are. Alligator to DuPont male, alligator to DuPont female. Easy peasy, ready to rock and roll. And up next, we got a big container. I'm not sure what this is. I forget. Yes, very good. So just for my experiments in the lab, I got myself this analog digital multimeter. Oh, sorry, it's not a digital multimeter, it's an analog multimeter. So that's two things for unboxing. We'll unbox this and we'll unbox this. We'll do that in future videos. And now, at last, we're to the final package. I'll throw you over to the room cam, and this is the big box from Farnell. Now, I'm not sure if they sent me everything in my order in this box, but I hope they did. And particularly, I'm hoping to score my resistor decade boxes. If they're in here, I'll show you what I mean in just a second. It's a box within box. All right. What are we gonna do? I'll tell you what. I'll fast forward it. All right. Well, I managed to get these boxes open, and it is indeed my resistor decade boxes. I've got two of them. So I'll show you them on the bench. Let's do this together. Here on the bench, and this is them. This is resistance decade boxes. Not much more to say about that. You plug in your terminals, and then you can switch in and out resistances, and it goes all the way from 1 ohm up to a total of about 10 mega ohms or more. Maybe it's yeah. So yeah, that's all there is to say about these, but I'm very excited to have them. I will take them out of the boxes. We might as well do that together now, quickly. All right, well, there's not a whole lot to say about that. There is a manual in here, but gee whiz, it won't have much to tell us. Okay, there's the model number, the MP701033. Important safety information. Okay. There's a ground terminal. I don't know what the point of the ground terminal is. Okay. Well, what are we going to do? I'll file this, I guess. Oh, I suppose I might as well read it. Let's read the manual together. Important safety information. Please read these instructions carefully before use and retain for future reference. When using electrical appliances, basic safety precautions should always be followed. To prevent fire or shock hazard, do not expose this product to rain or moisture. To avoid electrical shock, do not open this product. Take caution when voltages are above 60 volt DC and 30 volt AC RMS. Do not exceed 30 volt AC or 60 volt DC across the terminals. Maximum internal resistor power rating is 0.3 watts. That's roughly a quarter watt. And check the case insulation condition before using. If you find any breakage, damage, or abnormality, or you consider the device is broken, stop using the device immediately. Disconnect the resistor box from other voltage sources when it is not in use. Refer servicing to qualified personnel only. What's included? Decade box and user manual. Functions. Pocket size offering accurate, reliable performance. 7 decades of resistance value from 1 ohm to 11 mega ohms in 1 ohm increments using 28 individual slide switches. Slide switches allow easy addition and subtraction of resistance values. Binding posts offer simple and secure connections. 1. Banana plug can be inserted directly into the post. 2. Bare wire can be threaded through the post after it has been unscrewed. Alligator clips can be used, but use caution not to damage the post threads or plastic post housing. ABS plastic housing case, rugged components. This device can be used to verify the calibration integrity of multimeters, LCR meters, calibrators, etc. Operation, mains terminals, ground terminal, and range selector switches. Connect the positive lead of the device under test to the red post. Connect the negative lead to the yellow post. So we got, oh, that's interesting. Black and yellow. The black post is case ground. That's not actually true, is it? No.
No, the yellow post is ground. It's labeled here ground. Oh, you can see actually, look, on the diagram, that's yellow and that's black. And on here, that's yellow and that's black. They must have had a change of heart, or they've made a mistake. Anyway, I'm happy to have my black negative and yellow for like ignore. Okay, so the manual's wrong there. Okay, the black post is in case ground and is typically not used. Use the black grounding post only if the device under test will be ground to the case. Yeah, we don't care about the ground to the case. I don't know why they even included it. Anyway, start initially with all switches up, which is out, for 0. Switch down, in, to add resistance value. If the device under test doesn't read the value of resistance selected, the device under test may need calibration, adjustment, or repair. And then in the back, we've got some specifications. So the resistance range is 1 ohm to 11 mega ohms in 1 ohm increments. The resistance accuracy is 1%. The power capacity is 0.3 watts. The internal resistance is 0.3 ohm max. Okay. The operating temperature is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Which is 32 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating humidity, less than 80% relative humidity. The weight is 295 grams, and the dimensions is 131 by 140 by 30 millimeters. Cleaning. Cleaning the case with a cloth. Clean the casing with a clean, soft cloth. Do not use any chemicals, abrasives, or solvents that could damage the case. Okay, so there we go. That's everything you need to know about the resistant decade box from Multicomp Pro. So okay, and actually that concludes our unboxing for today. So let's do the scrapbooking together, and then we'll head over to the farewell cam to wrap up.
And that's a wrap. So yes, today just a quick mail call video for you. Obviously the best thing that arrived today was my new decade boxes, which are these things from Multicomp Pro. I now have 3 of them. I probably only need 2, so I've got 1 spare, but I've got 3 decade boxes. These are of course a welcome upgrade to my dodgy ones that I had previously, which you might have seen on an earlier video actually. They look like this. There's these great big honking things, and they can only go up to 1 meg. Sorry, not even. So 100, 10 times is the maximum. So 10K plus, yeah. So it can go up to 10K. These ones can go up to 10 meg, which is a lot better. But they're still only quarter-watt devices. They're not more than that, which is a bit surprising. I would have thought if you're going to go to the trouble of making a resistance box that you support up to 1 watt, I would have thought. Anyway, that's what I would have done, I think. Anyway, we've got our new decade boxes, and they're the best thing that arrived today. I suppose, you know, the jumpers and the DIP sockets, you know, they're not super exciting, but nice to have. So yes, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.